The Indian Railways has always been a vector of national growth and social development, ensuring seamless connectivity across the length and breadth of the country. Be it for the transportation of people, food grains, coal, or numerous economic value chains, partaking in the vision of an Atmanirbhar Bharat for food security to energy security for its teeming billions. And securing this lifeline of the nation stands the Railway Protection Force. The armed force of the nation under the Ministry of Railways, steadfast in its mission of protecting passengers, passenger areas, and railway property. The Railway Protection Force dates its origin back to 1854. The Railway Protection Force has undergone radical changes from its early days to its transformation into a modern force under the Railway Protection Force Act 1957 and its emergence as an armed force of the Union by amendment in the year 1985. In this gradual development, the force has successfully shouldered greater responsibilities bestowed on it from time to time, including the security of railway passengers and passenger area from 2004. The RPF Raising Day is celebrated on the 20th of September, on the day on which the force was raised. In the rapidly changing and dynamic security scenario, RPF has made massive strides in proactively adopting technological solutions such as the Integrated Security System, the RPF Security Management System, Rail Prahari app, and Prabal software to curb the menace of e-ticketing touting, geofencing of RPF posts, e-Suvidha for digital solutions to human resource, etc. Apart from these, RPF strives to develop a professionally competent and sensitized workforce who go the extra mile in their line of duty and live by the motto Seva Hi Sankalp, being the frontline workers of the railway when it comes to passenger facilitation. The Jagjeevan Ram Railway Protection Force Academy was established on 15 November 1955 as an RPF training center of the Northern Railway for imparting basic police training to the constabulary recruits of RPF. Presently, this academy, being the centralized training institute, plays a critical role in powering this human resource revolution within RPF by redesigning the course curriculum in sync with the emerging technologies and best practices.
Salami, sir.
It is a proud moment that this year's Raising Day celebrations will be organized at the Jagjeevan Ram Railway Protection Force Academy. The Academy endeavors to be a focal point of training and training-related issues under the guidance, direction and vision of the Director General, RPF, Shri Sanjay Chandar, to enhance the professional competencies of the force personnel. This academy has faculty comprising a healthy blend of recognized trainers and experts. In the year of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the Honorable Minister of State for Railways and Textiles, Government of India, Srimati Darshana Vikram Jardosh, has so graciously and kindly consented to be the chief guest at the Raising Day function and will inspect the parade. Indeed, a proud moment for all of us. We welcome you to come, visit and partake in the celebrations of the RPF Raising Day 2022 and take away a slice of memory of RPF and Jagjeevan Ram Railway Protection Force Academy with you. मुस्कुराइए, आपको लखनऊ का बुलावा है। सुस्वागतम, वेलकम, खुशामदीद। आरपीएफ एकेडमी आपका हृदय से स्वागत करने को तैयार एवं तत्पर है।